You've got 7 seconds to spot the signs. That's it. Miss them, and you'll end up chasing a woman who's already emotionally gone. Worse, you'll think it was your fault. You'll replay every moment, every text, every word, trying to figure out what you did wrong. But the truth is, you didn't do anything wrong. She just lost interest and never said a word. Most guys think a woman pulls away after something major, a fight, a lie, a shift in status. But that's not how it works. Women disconnect silently, emotionally first, then physically. And by the time you realize something's changed, she's already miles away in her mind. This emotional distance isn't random. It shows up in subtle behaviors, things men overlook. But once you know what to look for, you'll never miss the signs again. Sign number 1. She stops asking you questions. When a woman's invested, she wants to know everything. How your day was, what you're thinking, your goals, your stress, your stories. But when interest fades, so does curiosity. Suddenly, she's not asking anymore. You share something personal and she replies with, cool or nice. That's not her being tired. That's emotional withdrawal. Sign number 2. Her responses become delayed and strategic. Before, she'd reply fast. Now it takes hours, sometimes days. You check her profile. She's online. She's posting. So why the delay? Because interest is no longer driving her to respond. She's managing you, keeping you around, but distant. It's like emotional breadcrumbing, just enough to keep you hoping, not enough to feel wanted. Sign number 3. She doesn't initiate at all. Remember those good morning texts, the flirty check-ins? Gone. Now, it's always you reaching out. You're starting every conversation, making all the plans, carrying all the energy. Why? Because she's pulled her energy away, and she's waiting to see if you'll keep giving without receiving. Sign number 4. She stops mirroring your energy. Attraction is all about emotional rhythm. When it's strong, she laughs when you laugh, smiles when you smile. She mirrors your mood, your tone, your excitement. But now, you're upbeat. She's flat. You flirt. She deflects. You're light. She's cold. It's not random. It's not just a mood. It's disconnection in motion. Sign number 5. She avoids making plans. Before, she was excited to see you. Now, every time you suggest something, she hesitates. I'm busy. I'll see how I feel. I'll let you know. But she never lets you know. She's not just avoiding time with you. She's avoiding the commitment of energy. This is where most men panic. They try harder, text more. They ask, what's wrong? They become more available, more emotional, more vulnerable, hoping she'll respond, hoping she'll care. But the harder you chase, the faster she pulls away. And here's the part that hurts. She might not even realize she's doing it. For her, it just feels off. She's following her emotions, not logic, not conversation, just the quiet voice in her head telling her something's missing. Now here's the truth you need to hear. When interest fades, behavior shifts before words do. And if you know what to watch for, you'll stop wasting energy on someone who's already checked out. Sign number 6. She stops mentioning the future. When a woman is emotionally invested, she naturally includes you in her plans. We should go there next weekend. I can't wait for you to meet my friends. Or even something simple like, let's do that together sometime. But when she starts detaching, that future talk disappears. There's no we, no next time. She's thinking short term, because in her mind, she's already halfway out the door. Sign number 7. She becomes overly critical. Things she used to laugh at now seem to annoy her. Your jokes don't land. Your habits suddenly bother her. She points out flaws that were never a problem before. Why? Because emotional warmth is gone. And when the affection disappears, so does her patience. You're not dealing with a different version of her. You're dealing with a version that no longer sees you the same way. Now here's the crucial part. Most guys handle this the wrong way. What not to do. Don't beg. Don't chase. Don't pour your heart out in long texts. Don't ask, what did I do wrong? Because here's what happens when you do. She gets confirmation. Confirmation that you value her more than she values you. That you're afraid to lose her. That you're emotionally dependent. And once that power dynamic shifts, attraction collapses. Don't try to guilt her back. Don't try to remind her of how good things used to be. She knows. She just doesn't feel it anymore. And feelings, not logic, are what drive connection. You can't talk someone back into attraction. You can only inspire it. Re-attraction psychology. If she's slipping away, the only chance you have to reignite her interest is to pull back, not in a passive-aggressive way, not to punish her, but to reclaim your own center. You see, most men spiral. They make her their emotional priority. They stop living, stop leading, stop growing, because they're too focused on keeping her. But that kills attraction. Women aren't drawn to men who orbit them. They're drawn to men who lead their own lives. So here's what to do. Withdraw your energy. Go silent. Not as a tactic, but as a reset. Reinvest that energy into you, your purpose, your fitness, your peace. When she sees you're not chasing, that's when curiosity creeps in, because silence creates a void, and humans hate a void. Will she come back? Maybe, maybe not. But either way, you win. You stop waiting. You stop bleeding energy. And you start becoming a man who doesn't need her validation to feel powerful. Remember, women don't lose interest randomly. They lose interest when your energy stops inspiring theirs. So instead of trying to convince her, become someone she feels differently about, without saying a word. If you're ready to take that power back, to learn exactly how to rebuild attraction from zero, without games, without manipulation, and without chasing, then watch the next video I've made for you. It's called How to Make Her Regret Losing You Without Saying a Word. Click it now, and I'll show you how to flip the script before it's too late.